So good morning guys, it's H2O. What's up you guys? Let's go to the phone. What you guys been up to? Anything refreshing? Anything exciting? Well, wait, today we are gonna make some whole egg in a hole or robin's nest. I saw this on GP channel. I think it was some channel. So I saw that on their channel. And it looks so good, you guys. So I'm going to do exactly what they're going to do, but smaller version. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I make it.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel.
It's Go Dogs for One.
So the first things first is getting some eggs. This is how I make mine. First things first is making some eggs. Cracking some eggs in a bowl. The next one is going to be cutting a hole in the middle of the bread. So it looks like this, you guys. I'm going to do a cooking episode today. Should look like that, you guys. Yeah. So you do that, how many other pieces of bread, and keep this for later. The next step is to grab your one that had the hole in it. And then this goes in the eggs, and this is how you make robins in the nest or holes in the wall. So that's what I'm going to be doing, because I'm having 3 of these because these are so good, you guys. So that's what you do. So when you're done, you crack an egg in the middle like that, you guys. Like how many ever eggs you're gonna have. So I'm gonna have 3 eggs, so I'm gonna crack it in the middle. Like that. And so on. If I can get that one going. There we go. Just make sure that's nice and neat. And that's what it should look like, you guys. So thumbs up for the cooking episode. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. And make sure you guys turn the notifications if you guys want me to do more cooking videos. I don't know what you guys really want, because there's a lot of videos that I've been putting out that is hit and miss. So I want you guys to tell me what you guys want to see it, because honestly, it's amazing how you guys do like that. So I'll talk to you guys when it's done cooking. So now it's time to flip the thing over, if I can, with one hand. It's so difficult sometimes. Sometimes it's so difficult to flip bread over with one hand, you guys. It is difficult sometimes. But there we go. There you go. Looks so good, you guys. Right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading home, so I'll talk to you guys when I get home. So I'll talk to you guys then. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.